Okay. Press over inside a strong building, but away from windows. A tornado The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Johnson County in north central Texas until 3:30 a.m. At 2:27 a.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 7 miles west of Dudley, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Cleburne around 2:35 a.m., Burleson and Grenview around 2:45 a.m., Alvarado around 2:50 a.m. If you are caught outside, seek shelter in a strong building and stay inside, away from windows until the storm has passed. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 3 a.m. for some